Hello, happy whatever day I end up putting this up. I believe it'll be Tuesday next week. I got my Ipsy in this month. If you haven't watched last week's video, and this is the video you're coming to, the reason I haven't made videos is the kids, when I went and got my niece, all the kids got together, decided they would have strep throat. So I've had 2 sick kids. God bless you women who have more than one, or men that have more than one child. I don't know how you do it when they're sick. It's very crazy. One gets their feelings hurt really easy. Oh, welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I'm Erica. So, yeah, one gets their feelings hurt really easy and whines. Eric's, well, if you've been here a while, Eric's Eric. Severely autistic and just not in the mood to put up with nobody. This is Ipsy. I don't know what I'm getting, so I didn't have a chance to see what the price was. If I can after this video, which since this is going up on Tuesday next week, I should have time to look up the prices and look up what Ipsy said it was worth compared to what I find out it's worth. The boxes are still only $27. I don't know. It comes up to $30 coming out of my PayPal. So you get this box every month, and this is just the normal Boxy Ipsy thing. It says save the dates. Okay. True colors. Have no idea what all this is. Get to know your Boxycharm picks. Valued up to $200. Don't know. Anyways, it's just this little thing. There's no prices, no nothing. Alright, first thing in here that I see is PYT Beauty. Component, pan, box, recyclable. Component made with 15% recyclable plastic. Have y'all seen, I forget what it is or where I saw it, and this is hard to open. Oh my god. What is this anyways? Make me, oh, setting powder. Wow, I can't get it open. Let's see if I could use this pen. It's like not wanting to unlatch right here. Something about, they say they recycle plastic, but they really don't. I don't know. That they do it just to make you feel better. They say that it's recyclable. Okay, this is a setting powder in the shade it has jojoba, whatever it is, hyaluronic acid and sunflower seed oil. It's a nice color. I could see that. There'll be a first product by this brand I've tried. But I like a new setting powder, especially pressed powders. That's what I grew up with. And something about a pressed powder is so much less messy. I will reach for it. As you know, I got a ton of setting powders down here. And I will reach for this every time. This butter, believe it. Because I like the pressed versions. I'm a weirdo, I know. Okay, Juice Beauty. I know this is a resurfacing micro exfoliant, micro gommage. I think I've had this before in a small bottle, but Juice Beauty is usually pretty up there in price, like right around Kate Somerville prices, I believe. And it is, oh my god, is that the, yeah, it's filled. Like I could see it to like right here. There's some air in there, but it's like coming down the side because it was laying on its side. So you can see right through the bottle once you get up close to these lights. I could see right through it. Okay, once it starts to settle, it's like right here. Still a pretty good amount of product in the bottle. Okay, next we have Dew of the Gods. Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. Never heard of this brand. It's all in plastic. I'm going to leave it in there. Not that it matters because there's an actual expiration date on here. It lasts 3 years after it was made because it was manufactured on 2/10/2023. It expires on 2/9/2026. So, it's made in Canada. It says summer in a bottle, go-to good skin elixir packed with AHAs, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract to tone, exfoliate, and reset your skin. We all know how to use a tonic, but I bet that smells really good with the watermelon extract in it. Alright, we got Volition Golden Eye Brightening Serum. I have a Volition Beauty exfoliator that I got from either Ipsy or Boxycharm. Well, either way, the same people. And I've been using it. You could use it everywhere, not just your face. I've been using it on my legs where my psoriasis is because I looked up how to take care of that. And you could use exfoliators. So I've been using exfoliators and that honeymoon glow stuff that stinks. And that's my mom. I'm gonna call her back. Golden Eye Brightening Serum. This is Volition Beauty Golden Eye Brightening Serum with A, B, E, C, vitamin C, and niacinamide. I already have eye serums coming out everywhere, so I need to grab. I may put this in a giveaway. Alright, and I'm gonna look at the price because I have an Elemis one I just opened. I think I have more in there. So this is a Double Dipper Color Duo by Half Caked, and I'm probably not gonna use this depending on the colors. It says Girls Tour. Oh, dang it. Actually looks like something I will use. Those that's almost the same color as my shirt in the video. Doesn't look like it's the same color, like right there, like in real life. You know what? I'm not going to swatch it because I may not use it, so I don't want to go ahead and swatch something I'm not going to use because I have a ton of blush I didn't get rid of yet. And this is just something that someone else might get more use out of than I will. Overall, they gave me a pretty good amount, a balanced amount of skincare and makeup. So it's not a bad box. It's not one of the bests, but it's not a bad one either. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes last month. I'm happy. I think I got my money's worth. We'll see how much they say it's worth compared to when I look it up how much it's worth. So I will see y'all in the next one, which is going to be the Walmart beauty boxes. And I got to call my mom. And also, I noticed I had an email from Ipsy saying something about giving a free bag, beauty bag to people. I don't know what that comes with, but if you're on my Instagram and you're willing to try it, I will send you the code. Just message me and I'll send you the code. I don't know how many I can give, so first come, first serve. I'm just not going to guarantee that it doesn't come with like a catch or anything because I don't know. But I will go ahead and give you my codes if you want them. Alright? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.